Hey guys, what's going on now? Tilly! I'll be back. Now, let me get on my crisps. So, today I'll be testing the smoke detector again, but this time I'm going to try my best to find it off him in the video. You open the freaking door, you open the freaking door, and I'm going to be doing a video on this thing right here. It's burglar one, it's a new burglar alarm that we have got. So we got, it just needs a little spray. Listen to my spray now. Right there. Listen to my spray now. There you go. Listen to my spray now, guys, right? Listen. Ow. So, I spray stuff directly at them. I may drop you guys. Listen. I'm across with you guys and swing. I'll see you guys up there. You're not stable up there, aren't you? But then you can see you guys can go and get chopped and killed. There. I'm gonna spray it from an angle, guys. Let me take the thing down, guys. I'm gonna have him put it back up after this video. This thing is a pain in the bottom. Because, I'm gonna fall from the door. But this is a pain in the bum because that I'm gonna bite it. I don't wanna track it. I'm gonna leave you guys up there for a minute. I hope you guys can get there for now. So I'm gonna put him down by here and I've basically got to spray it into the light. Let's get the spray. Let's shut the door. Let's spray. I corrupted the data file. Go. This is a follow electric, and then to automatically stop it. So yeah, sorry if you guys, and I didn't warn you, but like I said, headphone users, you're probably going to send one of my notes you got. See, smoke on there. Comments. I'm going to put the thing back up. I'm recording a video, Dad. Oh, sorry, I got shouted. Well, I haven't got shouted up yet. That's it. See, what are you doing? I said, I'm recording a video, Dad. But this thing will soon be set, guys. It's thinking really rapidly because it needs to be set, but once we set it, today. I need to go and get something to stand up on. Guys, I'm doing this just for you guys. Fly, So I guess I kept on saying fly you, it's the word I use when I get angry instead of swearing, which is. And now I can fire on security yacht dress. It's funny when I watched this video when he's tested it, and it's going, and it scared the poo out of you. And it got me so. But anyway. I'm just shaking. I got that swabbing. Don't try this at home. So if this thing falls, guys, you're done. Yes, my done it here, and to prove that it is working, you can tip it this way. Smoke alarms LT. No, like, I'll show you the inside. Oh, it's like, here's the insides. And, yeah, that's the inside. Yeah, that's the inside, so zoom in if you guys can't see. Yeah. Okay. So, I'm wobbling. Okay. Let me return my things back to my mum's room. I'll be back. And put you guys in a comfortable position where you feel like you want to be. Okay. This chair's heavy, and I'll do the other ones now. The reason why I don't test it with deodorant is because it won't go off by deodorant, it goes off by real smoke. This guy's a bit out, but it's got to make the room set. That's what you need to set it off by. Not set off by like deodorant. Let's grab you guys. Bring you guys with me to this baby. This is being supplied, so I basically can't do it, so here goes. It's not working. There we go. I dropped it up downstairs. Oh, my heart started. Oh yeah. Down for a minute. But it would be funny on camera. Alright, so yeah, it is one on the bottom of the stairs, but I'm afraid they're both the same soundings. This one's not the main supplied, as you can see it had screws attached to it, but hope you enjoyed the video. That's rock detector testing, and I did a video on the fireworks I'm collecting. And yeah, I'll show you what I've been collecting and send them up quickly before the video ends, because it's a 15-minute Chelsea long thing. Done. Okay. Here we go. So, it says, I'll bring it into the light here so you can see what it says. Oh, it's the wrong way. So, it says, fireworks collection. Rocket heads, #1, that's what I got. Firecracker, that's what I got. Rockets is what I got. 2 rockets actually. And sparklers kits. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I dropped my thing, but I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, smash that like button no matter how you do it, and let me take one of these. I'm nabbing one. They're cool to these. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did like the video, smash that like button. Hashtag Green Orange. Hashtag New Year's. Hashtag Booms Away.